understanding, to elaborate, enhancing your English skills. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, to elaborate. Understanding this phrase is key to improving both your speaking and writing skills in English. So, let's get started. To elaborate is a verb phrase that means to explain something in greater detail or to add more information to a statement or idea. When you elaborate, you are expanding upon what has already been said, often to clarify a point or to provide additional context. It's like painting a more vivid picture of your thoughts or ideas. Using to elaborate in a sentence is straightforward. It's often used when someone wants to provide more information or clarify something that was mentioned earlier. For example, I think we need a new strategy. To elaborate, I believe our current approach isn't yielding the results we expected. She has a unique perspective on the topic. To elaborate, she's worked in the industry for over a decade. When using to elaborate, there are a couple of pitfalls to avoid. 1. Don't overuse it. While it's a useful phrase, using to elaborate too frequently can make your speech or writing repetitive and cumbersome. 2. Ensure relevance. Ensure that the additional information you provide is relevant and adds value to your initial point. For non-native English speakers, here are some tips. Practice in writing. Try using to elaborate in your emails or essays to get comfortable with its usage. Listen to examples. Pay attention to how native speakers use this phrase in podcasts, interviews, or movies. I hope this video helps you understand and use to elaborate more effectively in your English conversations and writings. Remember, elaborating is about adding value and clarity to your communication. Keep practicing, and you'll find it becomes a natural part of your English language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.